I already work with the body, like physiotherapy, and yeah, I was curious about the energy, because sometimes I feel something in my hands or in my arms, and then I get curious, and then I feel like, oh, I want to try it out, this energy work. And yeah, I was traveling in Thailand, so then I think, okay, I can try a level 1 course, and I like it very much, so I did all 3 levels, yeah, to the master course. Yeah. I Google, like I search for a Reiki course, and yeah, it pop up here in Koh Phangan, and yeah, it was a good choice. And I see, oh, Klaus is a very nice person. Yeah, yeah. So I decided to come here. It was like very sympathetic for me to come here. Yeah. Is level 1 is more, yeah, I would say a little bit soft. You need to find out how to do, and then level 2 with the distant healing, you already see, wow, you can make a treatment to another room. You know, you can do it to another place. And level 3, you feel much more strong, the energy in your hands, and yeah, like it's like a stair. You go a step up, and it's get more stronger, and you get better. Yeah. Oh, very much. Yeah, he's a very nice person, and he gives very good advice. Like he always gives examples in pictures, so you can imagine very good how it should be. And yeah, when he teach and he share a lot of his own experience, so I could really imagine, how Reiki is working. Yeah, and after his many years experiences, he has a lot stories to tell, so it's very good. I have not much more to say, so just people maybe who are curious, yeah, should try out Reiki and make their mind more up, be more open-minded for other people. Yeah, and I can really recommend to come here. Yeah, to learn Reiki is yeah, very simple. Everyone can do. Yeah.